we're preparing stuffed pumpkin with vegetables, rice, and dried fruit. The pumpkin called La Tripoli pumpkin. We grow it here in Moshav Chatzav, where we live. And the first seeds came with my grandfather. He made Aliyah from Tripoli in the early 40s. I'm fourth generation of farmers. They all grew pumpkins back then and today. My father, his brothers, everybody here. It's like a legend in our family. We grow many kinds of pumpkin seeds. Spaghetti pumpkin, Napoli pumpkin, chestnut, and many others. The pumpkin crop is not very popular in Israel, but here in our village it's very popular. The pumpkins in Israel are very special because of two things. The color is the most strong one. It's very orange, and thickness of the pumpkin. It's really, really thick. We cook a lot with pumpkin. We have the stuffed pumpkin, we have a pumpkin jam, pumpkin cakes. In this dish it's important to use the Tripoli pumpkin because it's like a big bowl that keeps the rice very greasy. We cook the pumpkin with many, many spices like paprika, ras el hanout and stuff. The pumpkin absorbs all the flavors and juices, the chilliness and the sweetness. It releases every taste even stronger. It's really nice.